5:30 in the evening time, and it's July. On this August the 1st, 2013, on a Thursday, time now for the Weather Magician with PJ Wiggins. The Evening Report.
And then later tonight,
Thursday, August the 1st, 2013. Good evening, everybody. Our current conditions at 5:30 p.m. in Norton, Massachusetts. We got a temperature of 75 degrees with a humidity of 60%. Wind speed south about 7 miles per hour. Barometer 10 up at 94 inches, 2.60 degrees at a visibility of 10 miles. Okay, gonna take a look at our radar scope. It shows a couple of little clusters of rain showers in Vermont and New Hampshire, stretching down into Massachusetts, stretching into Rhode Island and southern Connecticut. And another batch of showers and a few storms from the New York metropolitan area, stretching out to the Long Island, stretching through the Jersey coastline, stretching down through southern Delaware, stretching into eastern Maryland, stretching out into eastern Virginia. And a couple of popcorn line of showers and storms from the southern Quebec and Montreal, stretching into the upstate New York and central New York, stretching into central and eastern Pennsylvania. And a couple of little bobble showers in Virginia. And a couple of little line of showers and storms in the Carolina coast, into the Georgia coast, off the coast of Georgia to the Carolinas. And a couple of bobble showers and storms in northern Florida, and a couple of rain showers off southern Florida into the Bahama Islands. And a couple of bobble showers in northern Quebec, and a popcorn cluster of showers in northern Quebec, stretching into northern Minnesota and stretching in northern Ontario, and a couple of bobble showers in southwest Manitoba, and another bobble showers in west central Saskatchewan and in Alberta and British Columbia, and then a couple of showers and storms in northeastern Nebraska, stretching into western Iowa, stretching into northern Iowa, and it's stretching out into southern South Dakota, stretching out into southwestern South Dakota, and a couple of popcorn cluster showers and storms in northern Texas, stretching into Four Corners region of Arizona and New Mexico, Colorado and Utah, stretching into southern Wyoming and northern Wyoming, and stretching in western Wyoming and into northern Idaho, and a couple of bobble showers and storms in eastern and central Oregon, stretching out into Washington State down in British Columbia. Alright, take a look at a satellite photograph. It shows a couple of big blob of clouds in Quebec, stretching into New England and upstate New York, stretching down for the eastern seaboard into northern Florida, stretching in the Gulf of Mexico. And a couple of clouds in southern Pennsylvania, stretching out into western Virginia, stretching down to central North Carolina, down to northern South Carolina, down to northeastern Georgia, and a couple of clouds in southern Alabama, stretching in the Gulf of Mexico, and a couple of little cluster of clouds in northern Mexico, stretching for Arizona and New Mexico, stretching out into Utah and Colorado, down into southern Wyoming, and a big blob of cloudiness in western Iowa, stretching into New Mexico, down into the Dakotas, and down into southern Minnesota, stretching into the Northern Rockies and in the Pacific Northwest, stretching out into southwestern Canada, into Saskatchewan, stretching out of Alberta, and the British Columbia, stretching into northern Canada and in Alaska. Alright, let's take a look at our Hurricane Gale movement, 11 miles per hour, 270 degrees as of 5 o'clock. On Thursday, wind speed 80, gusting to 100 miles per hour, pressure 990 millibars.
13 states in the union, including all.
And invest 90, movement 10 miles per hour, 280 degrees. Wind speed 30 miles per hour, wind gust not available.
Will likely be sunk.
Alright, hazardous weather outlook. Day 1 tonight, there will be a low probability for some minor urban and port drainage flooding tonight. And days 2 through 7. Friday for Wednesday, no hazardous weather expected at this time. Okay, 7-day forecast, it goes like this. Friday night, showers and possibly a thunderstorm mainly before 5 a.m. and then chance of showers and thunderstorms after 5 a.m. Patchy fog after 1 a.m. Lower wind 66 degrees, south wind about 6 to 13 miles per hour, chance of precipitation 80%. No rainfall amounts between a 10th and half and a 3/4 inch possible. For Friday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms before 9 a.m. then a slight chance of showers at between 9 a.m. and noon. Cloudy then gradually becoming mostly sunny with a higher 84 degrees. West wind about 5 to 8 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 30%. New rainfall amounts between a 10th and a 1/4 inch, except higher amounts possible in thunderstorms. Friday night, Podcast got a low in 62 degrees. Southwest wind about 3 to 5 miles per hour. For Saturday, a slight chance of showers after 10 a.m. and mostly sunny skies high near 82 degrees. Night southwest wind about increase of 5 to 10 miles per hour in the morning. Winds could gust as high as 21 miles per hour, chance of precipitation 20%. Saturday night, a chance of showers late after midnight. Most of the clouds low 62 degrees. Southwest wind about 5 to 7 miles per hour becoming common after midnight. Chance of precipitation 30% for Sunday. A chance of showers mainly before 11 a.m. Most of the sunny skies but a high near 81 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30% for new precipitation amounts of less than a 10th inch possible. Sunday night, most of the clear skies low 58 degrees. Monday, sunny skies high near 78 degrees. Monday, part of the skies low 56 degrees. Tuesday, most of the sunny skies high near 79 degrees. Tuesday night, most of the clouds skies low 61 degrees. Wednesday, part of the sunny skies high near 79 degrees. Wednesday night, part of the skies low 62 degrees. And for Thursday, part of the sunny skies high near 81 degrees. Peter's with a phrase of the evening. Hey. Chance of showers on tap for tonight. This is BJ. What's up? You have a good evening with a good positive attitude here.